Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the loudspeaker on the Motorola Moto G 5G 2025 mobile phone. Please check the description for the required repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and eject the SIM tray. To remove the back cover, soften the adhesive using a heating pad. Place the phone face down and run the mobile phone heating cycle. If you do not have a heating pad, use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Avoid excessive heat as it may damage the back cover or internal parts. Once the adhesive has softened, use a suction cup to create a small gap. In this guide, we are using a sharp tool, but we recommend using a suction cup. The ideal place is the bottom edge. Once there is an opening, insert a plastic opening pick and carefully slide it around the edges to separate the adhesive. Don't insert the tool too deeply as it may damage internal components. Please note the adhesive around the camera area is stronger, so take care when working in this section. Once the adhesive is fully released, lift off the back cover. For reassembly, remove any remaining adhesive from the frame. Next, remove the 17 screws securing the mid-frame. Next, starting near the SIM tray area, use a plastic opening tool to release the clips around the mid-frame. Be gentle in this process. Be careful when lifting the mid-frame, as the fingerprint sensor still connected to the logic board. Open the mid-frame to a 90-degree angle from right to left and then disconnect the battery connector. Finally, disconnect the fingerprint sensor from the logic board and then remove the mid-frame from the body. Next, remove the faulty loudspeaker from the frame. First, remove the screw securing the loudspeaker and then lift the faulty speaker out of the frame. Next, align the new loudspeaker in the frame and secure it with the screw. Next, hold the mid frame at a 90-degree angle and reconnect the fingerprint plug. Next, connect the battery plug. Once connected, carefully close the mid-frame into place and then align the mid-frame with the phone. Press gently around the edges until all the clips snap into place. Next, secure the mid-frame with the 17 screws. Before installing the back cover, check the adhesive. If needed, apply new back cover adhesive or B7000 glue. Finally, reinstall the back cover and use bonding clips to hold it in place while the adhesive fully sets. After some time, you can remove the clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.